If you have a SaaS, you need a newsletter and email marketing. There is a lot of tools, but there is one that really stands out by this agent capabilities. So I present you Lumail. So basically it's an email system tool where you can do beautiful email, campaign, workflow, and obviously you will also be able to make transactional email. The best part is that everything will be set up automatically. I will show you. We can basically go in the documentation, skill, CLI, and copy this prompt for us. We go in Cursor or any tool like this, and we just put the prompt inside our project, and we will set up email marketing in the SaaS you want. So in a matter of time, you will have the Lumail CLI and skill that will be available in any environment. So here I use Cursor, but you can use Cloud Code, Codex, or anything. This will install and sign in automatically for you without you need to make anything. This is literally magic. The second part is to integrate Lumail in order to have your account. So just here, we have the setup that is okay, but we need to create a new organization. So we will create a new organization for my new SaaS. So I will write my domain. You can find the link to set up a new account in the description. So you put your website, you continue like this in order to create the organization. The Lumail will literally set up everything for you. He will set up the brand style, the brand identity, and you can see that he will find the primary color, the photo that you use, the brand voice, and everything. Then here you can use a new name, make look good, continue, and we can continue. Here you can start from scratch, that is our case, and we will subscribe ourselves to have someone. Reply to the smally question like this, and we can add then a domain name. So which from that we will send email. For example, I can add linkweek.mailvanks.com, add domain. Here we have a Cloudflare button, so it's directly open Cloudflare. If you use Cloudflare, you can just sign in with your account, and you will see that Cloudflare have a feature with a direct link that will enable you to set up automatically the DNS for your app. Ou sinon, tu peux simplement copier le prompt juste ici et demander à ton agent IA favori, comme ceci, boum, on vient et on lui dit set up les zones DNS pour moi, et tu vas voir que c'est magique parce que évidemment ça fonctionne directement si tu as ajouté des skills pour contrôler ton DNS. Donc c'est ce que j'ai fait. And so the best and easiest way is just to copy the prompt and to send this to any agent. The setup of all the DNS, that is like 7 DNS, will be done automatically by your agents. And this is insanely fast and insanely smart. So we just wait, and when it's finished, we will be able to try. So our domain is set up, and when we come back, we can make the small check button. So we verify that everything is set up correctly, and we can then add this email form. So Melvin from Linkweek, create sender, and we can create our first email that will be set up in our accounts. So you just need to message and make the verification process faster. And we have now the first email. The problem that we have an email, it's nice, but we also need to have a token. So we will make our current application work with a token. And for this, it's crazy simple. We go here, we go in integration just here, or better to token. Generate token, we make the production or a prod app. And when we have this prod app, we copy the token and we go to Cursor. We launch a new chat. We can send the token or add it inside the environment variable. Me, I send it directly. And this is the craziest part, because to set up the entire workflow in Lumail using the token in order to start sending campaign, workflow and stuff, we just need to copy one prompt. So just here, we can just copy this small prompt. So read lumail.io/integration/insight, and send email, send a 7-day campaign when we got a new customer. I want another workflow when someone upgrade to premium, for example. As we set up this, and as we also set up this just here, and that everything is working, then we can ask to wire everything automatically for us. So we come here, we send this, and he will use the token to set up the production or any environment that he need. He will use the SDK to fetch all the tool, the integration and stuff, and he will be able to set up the entire SDK inside your app to send all email marketing, all setup of whatever you want, add tag and add workflow, and we will see what happened when it's finished. So as you can see, we have also the direct MCP integration that we have just inside Cursor. So any tool you will use, you will be able to set up the authentication and the authorization directly inside the app. So you add the access of your account and the agent is able to do everything himself, okay? Okay, so we have everything set up, workflow, graph, unsubscribe. We have all the clients, the variable, the package.json, everything was updated for us. Okay, this is insane. And now we go to the app and I go where I put my beautiful token just before. So we have the token. We are not yet verified because we just have a verification process to avoid any spam or any trouble. And as you can see, we now set up the premium upgrade, new customer, everything was created automatically. So here we go to new customer, 7-day campaign, and we are here a 7-day campaign. We have a new tag named customer with 7-day email, and we have premium upgrade just here that is created. Obviously, this workflow for now is draft, but your agent can do anything. Make the workflow ready and undraft them, and he will basically make all the email marketing for you in a 100% autonomous way, okay? Then you just wait a few minutes that I approve your organization, and then you can send up to 3,000 email a month for free. On top of that, we can send all the OTP code and all stuff, so we can say set up transactional email too, and again it will just do it because we give full capabilities of creating campaign, anything with your AI agent. So here we have the transactional email, up, OTP verify, all go to markdown email. You can also send HTML email or custom tip-tap email. You can also say make the new campaign to say hello to everyone, add button, image and stuff, and give me the URL like this. So it's easy, it's simple, it's beautiful. So here, okay, create, a new campaign. And just here we have an email that is just created. Hello everyone, boom, the image, the button, what you can do next. He add image, you can read the doc, submit, you have unsubscribe link and anything you can want. Everything is 100% controllable with your agent, the setup, the workflow, and then all the marketing that you will need to make your SaaS successful.